To connect to Phantom Wallet extension, start by installing the Phantom Wallet extension from the official website or a reputable browser. Extension Store. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar to open the extension. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are creating a new wallet, set a strong password and make sure to save your seed phrase in a secure location. Your seed phrase is the key to recovering your wallet in case you lose access to it. After setting up your wallet, you will see the main dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. To connect to a website or application, click on the Connect button on the website or application you want to connect to. You will be prompted to select an account to connect with, and then you will see a request to connect to the website or application. Review the request carefully to ensure you are connecting to a legitimate website or application. If you are satisfied with the request, click on the Connect button to establish the connection. Your Phantom Wallet extension is now connected to the website or application, and you can start interacting with it. Best practices for using Phantom Wallet extension include always keeping your seed phrase and password secure, being cautious when connecting to new websites or applications, and regularly reviewing your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely connect to Phantom Wallet extension and start exploring the world of decentralized applications and blockchain technology.